2026 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid Preferred features a rugged yet refined design with bold body lines, black alloy wheels, and a wide stance that reflects its adventurous capability. Brought to you by Berge Mazda. Its athletic styling is complemented by standard all-wheel drive, giving it a confident presence on and off the pavement. The CX-50 Hybrid Preferred pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an advanced hybrid system and electronically controlled CVT, delivering smooth, responsive power and impressive efficiency. Standard electronic all-wheel drive provides added traction and confidence in varying road conditions. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making the CX-50 Hybrid comfortable for daily commutes or long road trips. The split-folding rear seats allow for quick cargo expansion when hauling gear, groceries, or luggage. Inside, the cabin blends Mazda craftsmanship with everyday comfort. Heated front seats, premium materials, and clean design lines create a refined environment, while thoughtful storage and available panoramic moonroof add to the overall driving experience. Standard Mazda driver assist technologies include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert, and a rear view camera. These features work together to enhance awareness and confidence behind the wheel. Convenience comes standard with keyless entry, automatic climate control, a power liftgate, heated seats, and parking sensors. Every feature is designed to make daily driving easier and more enjoyable. The CX-50 Hybrid Preferred keeps you connected with a large center display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Bluetooth connectivity, and multiple USB-C ports. The layout is intuitive and driver-focused, making technology easy to access on the road. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid Preferred delivers an ideal blend of efficiency, capability, modern technology, and refined comfort. With standard all-wheel drive, advanced safety features, and strong hybrid performance, it's a versatile SUV built for both everyday life and weekend adventures. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com. Give us a call at 480-498-5614 or visit our showroom today.